So indeed, that's been an interesting day for the markets. Well, of course, Sensex has been consolidating, but a lot of movers in trade today, be it D-Mart, be it L&T, and select chemical and fertilizer counters. Add to that list is select IT names. But with this, let's hand over to Ashesha to help us understand that how did the market pan out today.
Well, yes, a whole host of individual gainers. We'll talk about that in just a bit. But before that, Nifty, that one is ending nearly 25 points higher for the day. 24,846 is where we are currently trading. Nifty Bank also managing to hold on to some amount of gains by the end. But look at that. That one is now down nearly 95 points as we speak. 56,126. And perhaps some last-minute volatility because of the expiry that we are seeing today. Nifty mid and small cap index should also come up for you on your screens. We did see some amount of profit booking over here. Nifty mid cap index ending 60 points lower, and small cap index was also under pressure today. In terms of individual stocks, we had Tata Motors. That one was down 3.5% on the back of that acquisition news that came in, which could perhaps be margin dilutive, and it's a big deal if at all it comes through. Tata Motors ending the day 3.5% lower. We have Hero MotoCorp, Eternal Power Grid. These were also some of the other losers from the Nifty 50 pack. On the losing side though, on the gaining side rather, we had L&T. That one is up 4.5% after it reported strong set of numbers. Management commentary was positive. Brokerages too have given a thumbs up, 4.6% higher for that one. NTPC, Sun Pharma and Maruti Suzuki. These were also some of the other gainers from the Nifty 50 pack. In terms of individual sectors, we had real estate stocks. After soaring high yesterday, this sector was underperforming in trade. We had Brigade Enterprises. That one was down nearly 2.5% in trade today. Nifty Realty Index, it shaved off nearly 1%. Brigade Enterprises down 2%. DLF and Godrej Properties, these were also some of the other laggards from the Nifty Real Estate Index. We had IT sector, which was gaining in trade. But apart from that, let's talk about New India Assurance. Very strong set of numbers that the company reported. In fact, New India Assurance, that stock was gaining nearly 15% the last time I checked, and that should also come up for you on your screen. 17% higher for this counter. And we also had the likes of Varun Beverages that were in focus on the back of brokerage reports. So yes, a whole host of individual buzzers, but on the index level, Nifty is ending rather flat near that 24,846 mark. Nifty Bank though is ending under pressure, quite a bit of divergence that we are seeing. But that's all the time we have in this edition of the show. But your trades will come up next. Don't go anywhere.